Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're gonna learn about how to add business location on Snapchat. So onto this tutorial, we're gonna learn about how to add that business location of yours onto your Snapchat so that it would appear as suggested onto your friends or anyone that you have onto your Snapchat account. So first things first, you'll just need to log in first onto your Snapchat account. And once you're already in there, onto the upper left corner of the screen, there is your profile icon. So you need to click onto that and you'll get redirected onto this page. So onto this page, you'll just need to scroll down further until you should be able to see in here the snap map. So you need to click onto that and then right after, you'll need to scroll down until you should be able to see suggest a place. Now, as you can see, it will ask you to enable photo access if you want to go ahead and add some photo onto your place that you will suggest or your own business location. So you'll just need to type in there your business name or the name for that. And then you could also add in the address. You'll need to pin that. Add in the category of your business. So there are a lot of options to choose from. You could go ahead and try to choose in here resto or salon or park or anything that you like. You could also add in some attributes, the hours that are open. You could add in a website, your phone number, and of course, what we've mentioned earlier, the photos of that specific place. So once you're already done, you're just going to go ahead and click on to submit and your business location should be published once approved. So you'll just have to wait for that. And right after that, once it is already published, your business location would be available as a suggested place to your family and friends on Snapchat. And that's just basically it onto how to add a business location on Snapchat. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.